For many generations, man has observed and cared for animals. Observations have been recorded, and much has been learned concerning the health of animals over the generations. Living the lifestyle of a farmer, we are found more aware of the needs of life. Much of our literature emphasizes the link between activity and our health. The farmer knows to turn the bird egg and not to keep his animals in the barn all the time. If he wants them healthy and growing, city life can leave us less aware of the needs of animals. Although animals need to move and be active in order to stay healthy, some people confine the animals in cages. And when their animals become sick from their confinement, they tell us it was due to another reason, like smoking. Records kept, statistical data, reveal a higher rate of cancer found in smokers. We have been told by many, and many have been led to believe, that this proves that smoking causes cancer, even though the evidence indicates it is not the cause of the cancer. It is, however, a good reason for a rate of increased cancer among smokers. If, as the books say, the smoker is getting a vitamin, then all the cells of the body are getting a sufficient dose of niacin in the smoker. Even the cancer cells, causing them to be healthier in the smoker. The principles of farming are the principles of growing. Here's a principle many seem to be forgetting. Say you were a farmer and you had 2 fields of corn that you planted. In one of the 2 fields, you planted the corn and you watered it, and then watched it grow. In your other field, you planted the corn, you watered it, and you added fertilizer. Which of the 2 fields would end up having the more weeds? The statistical data showing a higher rate of cancer in smokers is revealing that smoking is like putting fertilizer on your field. The fertilizer causes an increased rate in weeds, but it is not the cause of the weeds. Smoking causes even the cancer cells to be healthy when it provides the whole body with the vitamin, niacin. The farmer knows adding fertilizer helps. A lie will make it around the world before the truth gets its shoes on. Older people are prone to cancers. Younger people are not. Many people smoke without getting cancer. Most young people. Less activity in many older people leads to deterioration of their body tissues. Because the nuclear envelope deteriorates, the DNA becomes less protected in the cells of less active people, causing them to be more susceptible to cancerous, abnormal cell growths. If smoking were good for you, the statistical data should indicate a higher rate of cancer in older smokers. When the smoker oxidates the nicotine, he changes it into the vitamin nicotinic acid, or niacin. Being knowledgeable of this fact, and being aware of what is implied by thousands of generations of smokers, one should view the statistical data as indicating smoking being beneficial or good. Smoking good, not bad. Smoking right, not wrong. The anti-smoker is against what has been shown in so many ways to be good. The wise men bringing frankincense to the baby Jesus, Moses and the burning bush. Smoking is a biblical tradition. It is becoming more recognized that much of man's problem has occurred due to his migration away from the equator into the northern and southern latitudes. and then having to come up with similar nourishment as to that which had been found at the equator. Evidence indicates dark-skinned people became light-skinned people away from the equator so they could absorb vitamin D more readily. The discovery, the insight, showing that man could compensate for the lack of a rich, thick atmosphere while away from the equator by smoking is one of the greatest achievements of mankind.